Hey everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. It's good to see you again. We are currently in France. Well, we're actually just heading home. Actually, we've been on drone operations in France all week here in Bordeaux, and I was thinking about taking out my drone to take some footage out and work on it. And then I was thinking to myself, maybe that's not a good idea at the airport. Yeah, I think taking your drone out at the airport could be quite risky, because you may end up having your drone spotted by the authorities. So if there's any anti-drone systems in place at any of the airports that you may well be, you could be activating that, and that could well cause flight delays, not only to you but to other people as well, and obviously a major inconvenience, and we don't want any more nasty surprises in the community. So maybe the best thing is, if you are at an airport and you are, let's say, bored, and you have footage on your drone, so you have it on the internal storage. I know these storages are not that big, but you may well have it. It's best not to switch it on. Now, I think that the controller has to be on in order for it to be spotted, because it needs the GPS, and also it's taking the radio frequency as well. But it's not worth the risk. It isn't worth the risk, just putting a drone on itself. So just a bit of advice. So if you are planning to take your drone out at an airport, maybe not do it. It may not be the best idea. So I hope this was helpful in a way. It seems rather silly, but it seems kind of obvious when you think about it as well. So obviously, but I'm not going to do it. You can see that I had it plugged in, but it wasn't switched on. Okay, so anyway, I hope this was helpful anyway to you guys, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, because we're always doing cool things, and it's always nice to share our adventures. See you in the next video. Fly safe.